I reached 30 subscribers the other day, so now we are doing the first draw of my 3 giveaways in a row. So first things first, I will just get down to who won the previous one. So the winner of this one is Dan Lyle. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. I will be leaving a link to my Facebook page down below. Send me a friend request and a message and just give me your details or whatever, and we'll figure out how to get them to you. So yeah, you've won these HQ 5050's, these 2 sets of them. And yeah, hopefully you enjoy them. Now to what's happening when we reach 40 subscribers. Previously, I said that the prize was going to be this Stubby antenna, which it still is, but I'm now also adding in 2 sets of Dalprop Cyclone 5050's, crystal blue, I believe, that's what the company calls it. They're great props. I've flown them a bit, and yeah, they work great. They're nice and durable. A lot of people love them, so hopefully whoever wins them will like them. So the way to enter for the next giveaway is just as simple as the previous one. Make sure you like this video, comment whatever you want, be subscribed at the time of the draw, and also share this video on Facebook, Twitter, whatever. And yeah, so this giveaway will be drawn at 40 subscribers, so it's up to you to kind of just share it around as much as you can, because the faster we get more subscribers, the closer we get to somebody winning this. So hopefully you guys like the prize, and I'll see you when I draw it.